fun is okay. Get some love in your life, whether that be another person or just loving yourself, man. Love is good. Spread love. Spread love.
Alin yung favorite? Kabalo ka? Alin lang din akong na-order nila eh. Alin ko kailan sa unahan ko ito? Hala, mauday ni. Hala. Pero, naman po ganin ka ulo.
Kaya building ay building bro.
Surala?
Sira lahat ng bahay. Exaggerate.
Ay, bakit? Tara na. Wala na ako. Dapat lami. Oh. Tell me. We're gonna buy an invitation, Mom, but it's like late. No finish.
Oh, chicken daw. Mga sa barbecue.
Sige na, pwede mo panahon na ako.
Wala na, alam.
Okay, kina.
Hello, my baby too.
It's Mom's birthday. Late birthday. Oh, God, you're so pretty. Kiss me, kiss me. You're so pretty. Hi, vlog. I'm home na, and look at the fit. Look at the fit. Look at the brains, y'all. You know, last time I told Father na gusto ko mag-gym, and he bought me outfit. Outfit for the gym. Like, it's so nice. For memories. Belated happy birthday, Mom. Make a wish! It's never too late. Hospital now, Miguel.
Thank you so much.
Let's eat!
Yay!
Hi guys, we're gonna play pickleball. Check. This is from Father. palitaw. It's like a mochi na dessert, pero more on customized. Parang chocolate siya na, pero cheese ang laman. I don't know if that makes sense, pero kami naman kakain. Ta-da! It doesn't have to be perfect, so may sobrang nips pa tayo.